If you've tried every diet out there but the weight just won't budge, listen up. What if I told you there's a way to lose weight, boost your energy, and improve your health without cutting out your favorite foods forever? Today, we're diving deep into intermittent fasting, the science-backed eating pattern that's transforming lives. Welcome to the Lose Zone, where we help you lose weight and feel your absolute best. If you're ready to take control of your health, smash that subscribe button right now, because this could be the change you've been looking for. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet, it's an eating pattern. Instead of focusing on what to eat, you focus on when to eat. You cycle between periods of eating and fasting. During fasting, your insulin levels drop, your body starts burning stored fat for energy, and powerful repair processes kick in. The beauty? You can still enjoy the foods you love as long as you eat them within your eating window. Let's talk about why intermittent fasting has exploded in popularity. Weight loss and fat burning. Lower insulin equals easier fat access. Boosts human growth hormone. Helps you maintain muscle while losing fat. Better blood sugar control. Reduces insulin resistance. Supports brain health. Increases memory and learning proteins. Reduces inflammation and may even extend lifespan. And that's just scratching the surface. If you're finding this helpful, remember, subscribe to the Lose Zone so you never miss our weight loss strategies that actually work. Not all fasting methods are the same. The 16/8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat during an 8-hour window. Easy to maintain and fits most lifestyles. The 5-2 method. Eat normally for 5 days a week and limit calories to about 500-600 on 2 days. The key is picking one that fits your schedule. During fasting, stick to water, black coffee, unsweetened tea, and zero-calorie electrolytes. If it has calories, save it for your eating window. Intermittent fasting isn't just about losing weight. It's about taking back control of your health, your energy, and your confidence. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your body transform. Remember, this is a journey, not a quick fix. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to the Lose Zone, where we give you the tools to lose weight, feel amazing, and live your best life. Drop a comment below with your fasting experience. We'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to check the description area for any free help, and may God bless you.